Exercise number 1, bicycle crunch. Twist your torso and bring opposite elbow to knee. Keep your core tight, stay controlled, and feel those obliques firing with every twist. Don't rush, squeeze and breathe. Exercise number 2, flutter kicks. Straight legs, hands under your hips, flutter kicks. Kick low and fast while keeping your lower back pressed down. Keep your abs engaged the whole time. Small kicks, big burn and stay strong. Exercise number 3, mountain climber. Hit the floor for mountain climbers. Drive those knees in fast, core locked tight, shoulders over wrists. Stay light, stay explosive, this is cardio and core working together. Exercise number 4, plank jack. Jump your feet out and in while holding a solid plank. Don't let your hips rise, keep your body strong and stable. Control the movement and keep pushing. Exercise number 5, Russian twist. Finish strong with Russian twists. Lean back, lift your feet, and rotate side to side. Twist through your core, not your arms. Feel the deep burn, this is how you end it.